Hi guys, today I am here to show you integration demo between Freshservice and the Azure DevOps. Let's begin. Log into your Freshservice account, visit the admin, then apps section. Now we have to click on get more apps. So here is the app Freshservice and Azure DevOps integration app. You can also search here Azure DevOps and you will see this app. So okay, let's click on that. So before installation, if I click on install, we need four things. Freshtext domain, that will be your entire cloud help. This is your Freshtext domain. Azure DevOps account URL, then Freshservice API key, then VSTS token. So let me show you how to get the Freshservice API key. To get the API key in your Freshservice account, you have to click on your profile section, profile settings. And under your profile settings you have your API key. Let's paste it here. Let's copy the domain. This will be your domain, and in case you need help, we have articles here, Freshservice authentication help or VSTS Azure DevOps authentication help. Okay, so now we need account URL for DevOps. To get the account URL, this is my DevOps account. This will be the account URL. Let's paste it here. In your case, it might be like starting with the dev.azure.com, and after that it can be your account. This will be your account URL, or this can be in your case, maybe for you it's dev.azure.com. Okay, so now we need VSTS token. To get the VSTS token, we have help article below, and if you look into the article, we have steps mentioned here. Click on security, personal access tokens, enter the name, select the below scopes as we mentioned in the article. I can show you as well. Click on your file. So click on your user settings. Then we have personal access tokens. Click on new token. Enter the token name any. And then you can select the scopes as we mentioned. We need work item success. Then click on show all scopes. Then we need access to project and teams. And then we need work item success. That's it. And it will be better if you can also provide the access to a users. Okay, so enter the name and copy the token and create it. I already have one token. Let me copy it. I copy it, paste it here, click on validate. It will take a few seconds to validate your information. Once the token is validated, you will see a confirmation message like I have validated successfully. Click to install the app. Let's click on install. The app is installed successfully. As you see, app is showing up here. Now go to any of your ticket in the Freshservice. Now go to any of your ticket in the Freshservice, like I created a one test ticket for the demo purpose. You will see the apps on the right side, Freshservice Azure DevOps integration app. Open it. Now once we open the app, you will see three links: new work item, link to work item, link to work item by ID. Let's talk about the first new work item. When you click on it, you will see the type of work item you can create: bug, epic, feature, task, user story, backlog work item. So we can create like any type of work item using the app. Let's try creating a bug. Once you click on any type of work item, the page will be displayed including all the fields and custom fields you have in the DevOps. So here, by default from the Freshservice ticket, title, or you can say subject. We are displaying the title in the DevOps as a default type. I mean, we are copying the subject from service ticket to a title box here. You can modify it if you want. You can make changes, whatever you want. You can select the project here. For example, I'm selecting one test project. If you have any areas, you can select that. You can select the priority, whatever you want to make. You can select a priority. And by default, we are displaying the Freshdesk attachments. From the Freshdesk ticket, if you have any attachments linked to your Freshdesk ticket, we are displaying the attachments here. And if you want to forward that attachment to your DevOps ticket, you can select those. And by default, description will be the Freshdesk ticket description. If you want to modify, you can do that. If we have any custom fields in your DevOps account, we are displaying that here. For example, we have country field and we are displaying that as a here. Okay, so let's create bug. I click on bug creation part. It will display all the linked ticket ID. See, work item 515 has been created successfully. If you click on it, it will redirect to your DevOps account. See, we selected my first project, we selected area, we selected the iteration, status is new, the tag is saying fresh service, and we have a custom field country, it's selected as well. If you click on the attachments links tab, we have attachment fresh service ticket ID link here and the attachment link here. The attachment we selected. If you click on that, it will open the attachment for you. Okay, so let's close this pop-up and click on refresh button. It's displaying the linked DevOps ticket ID here. If you want to later go on that ticket, you can click on that as well. It will display the ticket right away. So this is the fresh service, how we can create a DevOps ticket right inside the fresh service. If you want to see the history or you want to notify the DevOps team, you can use this notify tab. Select the project. Select the work item. Please send this message. Okay. If you want to forward the attachments as well, you can select those. Click on send. That message has been posted successfully. If I go to the DevOps ticket once again, click on details tab. Please send this message. See, and we have an attachment link here as well. So this is how you can integrate with your DevOps team. You can create a work items right inside the fresh service, and you can notify your DevOps team. You can also we can also have a bidirectional syncing. I mean to say you can automatically sync the commands between fresh service to DevOps and DevOps to fresh service. We also provide like a status changes, like DevOps team has done the status here, and the fresh service team will know that this issue has been resolved. So this is how we are providing this integration. And you can also see the log here. Click on show work items history. This is the complete log. The ticket is assigned to home, the state, area, iteration, steps, priorities, severity tags, everything, all the comments and everything. And you can also post a new comments from here as well using this screen. For example, test comment. Test comment came here. It also came here. It takes a few seconds to come up here. It's visible. So this is about the integration part. And next thing is, if you want to unlink it, if you by mistake link the ticket, you can click on unlink button, unlink the ticket. We have two more options. If you want to link the existing tickets, you can use these options. Click on link to work item. You can select the project under which your work item exists. You can select the area if you want. You can select the work item if you want to link. Or the second option is you can also, another option we have is you can use a link to work item by ID tab. You can enter the work item ID here. For example, I enter this one. Click to link to work item. It will automatically look up the project and everything and link it for you, and click on refresh. It will display the linked item history here, and it will like start syncing comments between, if you have requirements for syncing comments or any other fields, it will start using that. So this is all about the integration app by Integer Cloud between Freshservice and the DevOps. If you have a custom requirements, you can also let us know. You can send us the email like at the support@integercloud.com. And if you have any questions, write below. Thank you. See you later.